Experiment number 9, cutting tool grinding. So we will see the grinding operation and also the nomenclature of the cutting tool, various nomenclatures, and how it can be ground into the particular dimensions. These are the aim, materials required, tools required, the detailed procedure. You can go through that. Result tabulated like this. Now regarding the nomenclature, here is a cutting tool. You can see this is the shank of the tool or the blank tool, where the particular angles or the cutting surfaces are ground. This is the cutting surfaces, and here you can see the face of the tool, flank of the tool, etc. And here this is the cutting edge. This is the cutting edge, and this is the end cutting edge, and this is the side cutting edge. And we are given many rakes, then like the relief, etc. angles, particular angles are given. So we will see one by one. Here the face, it is making or inclined at an angle, particular angle to the horizontal. That particular angle is the side rake angle. Now here you can see the cutting edge, and an angle given to this portion, that is there will be an inclination towards the front, not to the front, towards the back. There will be an inclination, and that particular angle is the back rake angle. These particular angles, this will be much more clear when you see the three views, that is front view, top view, and side view. That will be that we can see next in the next slide. So we are giving a nose radius, that is some radius given to this portion, the cutting portion, where you are not given a sharp portion, or it is not made sharp. So there will be a particular radius given here, which is termed as the nose radius, and this is the vertical axis, and we are giving a clearance or end clearance. That particular angle is the clearance angle or end relief angle. Also in the side portion we are giving a clearance, which is termed as the side relief angle. This is the side cutting edge angle. Here the side cutting edge and this particular axis makes an angle, which is the side cutting edge angle. Similarly, the end cutting edge, here is the end cutting edge, and the horizontal axis, it will be like this, and the angle between the two is the end cutting edge angle. Similarly, the side rake angle, etc. So now we will see the three views: the front view, top view, and side view. So here you can see in the front view or front view, you can see, the side view, you can see the rake angle, side rake angle, and the side relief angle. Now in this view, front view, you can see the back rake angle. This is the cutting point, and it will be inclined like this. So the angle, this particular angle is a back rake angle, and also end relief angle will be shown in this view. And on the top view, you can see the nose radius and also the end cutting edge angle, the angle between the end cutting edge and also the horizontal. Also the side cutting edge angle will be visible in this view. So these are the regarding the nomenclatures. This you can visualize in the lab, which will be demonstrated by our Preman sir. You can now go on to that.
അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 12mm കട്ടിംഗ് ടൂളാണ്. പിന്നെ അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഗ്രൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യുക? സൈഡ് ടൂളായിട്ടാണ് ഗ്രൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ നോർമൽ പേപ്പർ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫിഗറും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഞാൻ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാകും. അതെങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുക, എങ്ങനെയാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കാണിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഗ്രൈൻഡിങ് എങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഓക്കെ. ഇത് ക്ലിയറൻസ് ആംഗിൾ, ഫ്രണ്ട് ക്ലിയറൻസ്. ഇനിയിപ്പം ഈ സൈഡ് ക്ലിയറൻസാണ് എടുക്കേണ്ടത്. അല്ല ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്തോളാം. ഇനി അതിൻ്റെ നോസ് റൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യും. കട്ടിങ് പോയിൻ്റ്, സൈഡ് ക്ലിയറൻസ്, ഫ്രണ്ട് ക്ലിയറൻസ്. ഒക്കെ നോർമൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ